your take on these fake pastors now, like your Enigma?
Ngithi mina kwena ke uPastor Enigma usebenzela usathane. Leya nto leya yenzeka kanjani ngiyayazi. Akekho uJesu akhulume noPastor Enigma. Ngibheke kaze ngayibhekisa apha ngayibhekisa phezulu. Kodwa wenzeke lento nawe uzoyikhumbula lento umbona umuntu mayisegula esezoshona uyaye ezwe izinto ezikhulumayo emadlebeni noma umuntu bezohlanya noma esehlanya uzwa izinto ezikhulumayo emadlebeni ukumbona umuntu bengabedla emgqomeni kaDodi akubi iphupho lakhe ukuthi one day ngizodla emgqomeni kaDodi ungenwa umoya wesilwane ongafuni ukumbona ephumelela ofuna ukuthi ashone phansi ukuze nomndeni wakhe ushone phansi bese lento iyakhuluma emadlebeni bafethu maningayazi into ekhuluma emadlebeni isamele nomkhulu bese iyakhuluma lento azayiphendule ithi hamba uye emgqomeni ithi uyabona bonke labantu abakufuni azayiphendule athi hayi ngiyababona umehluko lento mayikhuluma iyayixova inkulumo ithi kukhuluma ngalokho kuqhamuke enye eceleni ikhulume ngalokho umuntu umuze ekhulume ngathi into yakhe ayikhuluma ayihlangani ithi because ulalela izinto eziningi ezikhuluma kuyena lezi zinto eziningi wabe seyayihluza wayihluza kwagcina kusala eyodwa ayizwayo mayimhlomekisa wasiyiqamba igama lento ayizwayo wayiqamba igama wathi igama lalento le ekhuluma emadlebeni edonsele emumva impilo yakhe wayiqamba igama wathi lonto uJesu wavele wayipha nje igama wathi uJesu lonto wathi uJesu lokhuluma kuwo uthini lo Jesu akafuni ukuthi uPastor Enigma abe nomfazi usuyabona manje uzowakha kanjani umuze ngenayo umama akafuni uPastor Enigma iqala ngaye lento akafuni ukuthi abe nomfazi lento ayifuni uPastor Enigma ukuthi asebenze musu ukuthi abantu aba-attend umshado kaSominzi bonke babengenwa amadimoni umuntu oyidimoni lapho uwe akekho uNkulunkulu engathiwa uNkulunkulu uthi kubantu bakhe ningabi nalutho akekho uNkulunkulu ongathi kubantu bakhe ungabi namfazi isilwane leso akekho uNkulunkulu ongathi into nayo ayibusisiwe mawucebile awubusisiwe ayikho into enjalo usathana usho njalo slowly ngibonga mina ukuthi abantu bakwazile ukumbona uPastor Enigma azokhuluma ngenkonzo eziphilisa abantu azokhuluma ngolehanyana athole lehanyana bonke abantu abaphume esontela lehanyana cabanga kunabantu abaphumelele ngenxa ka lehanyana azokhuluma ngesonto labapostoli cabanga ukuthi abapostoli kunabantu abangakanani makuthiwa isilingi abasuke besilingwa unyaka nonyaka athi abantu abangakhozi lapho kunamadimoni cabanga into ebithi yamhlanyisa kahle leyana akasekho nje normal akekho normal into emhlanyisayo leya baba lo ya kodwa usazobuya umehluko ufuneka afike simsize thina ngoba ngiyayazi ukukhulumayo iyayiqeda imali kodwa ingaqedi abantu iyayiqeda imali akafike kumina ngizomsiza ngomakhanda oil
sengena kule nto le yalo kwabo uDukusabantu lo Dukusabantu oqamba manga umuntu emdala lo baba lo uthe kodwa kanye nomfundisi uqamba manga emdala ubuye esulwini yizo zonke nje lezi zinto lezi elimazi isizwe igama lakhe bathu bangamba umuntu bafana ngelithi kahle nimbonise efonini uthi obani Enigma yekamanga Enigma ngizokutshena ke mina ngakwakhudluza ungane yekamanga uqamba manga uthi ubuye esulwini wena ufuthi ufico lapha iduke nabantu abaculayo uqamba manga yekamanga nje umdala ngikushiso lokhu ukuthi ufaka iBhayibheli phakathi kube ntwana ufaka iBhayibheli ngabe ngithatha nje umuntu omdala ngabe ngithi uyaphosisa Enigma yekamanga Enigma ngiqinisile hayi ngoba mhlawumbe Enigma angikwazi nawe ungazi ukuthi masukudukisizwe usuzubala ngishisonto lami uthi nemboshembe asingene esizulwini asikho esizulwini usuphuma khona wena engane mina ngidlula ngisho kwa wena Enigma ngisuka kwaIsrael ngifike ngafica ngangena ethuneni likaJesu uyabo Enigma ngiyacela Enigma ucelwa yimina mfowethu yeka nje ukukhohlisa abantu usimoshile nezingane ngoba uchazile wathi uyena umfundisi futhi anginanci nawe futhi anginankinga nawe kodwa nginyanyiswa ngamanga umuntu omdala ethi usuke ezulwini umuntu angazange hayi uthi ufica izingane izulwini abantu abadala abekho abantu abadala uqamba mama usethi mina lapha ngifika phesheya fanele ngabe ngedimi engcono kuthiwa ngisuka le ngasezulwini ngoba sengisuke ethuneni likaJesu endaweni engcwele endaweni yesethembiso uyabo lapha engisuka khona ke mina yena nje wathi lapha eGoli noma mhlawumbe lapha kulamazwe ngaphandle ase-Afrika mhlawumbe u-Enigma ngoba ukhuluma kwakhe ngathi akuyena naye wala ngiyamsola Enigma yeka manga ndoda zokhuzwa impela manje uthukisa ingane ongabafana ukuthi nawe umuntu ophuma ezulwini ngithi mna ngiyathuka nami ngithi mina gijima abafana ngizothatha ifoni yami ngichitha isikhathi hawu ngibona qamba manga hlaza umuntu emdala yabo yo ngihlangana neGoli ngoba mebule ngale mfuko mebule hey Enigma yeka manga umnyengi hey bule ngibe qamba manga umuntu emdala usonta kuliphi isonto nalo ukuthi ukuthi kusuke ezulwini ukuthi umuntu osonta washemba kumficanga lapha usesihogweni ukuthi thina sesesihogweni yikhehle kudala nje futhi leliyani uyalibona lekhehle ngathi liboshiwe ngendlela ngibonile uyikhehle ngathi yikhehle jele leliya ho umfana wabafayise bathini hangu esuke ezulwini ngithi ngubani lo hayi cha bafowethu ke
what if Enigma ngempela uthunywe uSathane
ngeke ngikuvuma ukuthi uthunywe uSathane ngeke into engakhala ngayo ukuthi indlela achaza ngayo noma ukwengeza umntwana kaNkuluNkulu Enigma umntwana kaNkuluNkulu iBhayibheli lithi umuntu ongasho ukuthi akathuka umoya engcwele lo muntu akaveli kuSathane kodwa umuntu othi akathuka umoya engcwele lo muntu uvela kuSathane so akakwazi ukukhuluma ngoJesu evela kuSathane iproblem enginayo enye ngaye yilela kuMateyu 24 Mateyu 24 uthi kuzovela abantu nomunye uJesu iBhayibheli liveza ukuthi uthi uJesu mabembuza abapostoli kuzoba sikhathi sini ukubuya kwendodana yomuntu uthi indodana yomuntu naye ayazi ayisazi isikhathi ngubaba yedwa owazi isikhathi Enigma yasazi isikhathi kusele 3 minutes serious ukhulume ngaleyo nto ukuthi uJesu kusele 3 minutes abuye thina si ready for ukubuya kaJesu noma inini ngoba iBhayibheli lithe ingabuya noma inini indodana yomuntu but akukho la kuvela khona 3 minutes uma inkosi emkhombisa u3 minutes yena which means uJesu usifundisile amanga
uthe 3 minutes
yes khulunywa ngo3 minutes
phela dalo udlulile 3 minutes
aswayike ngithi mina sinenkinga kaJesu ukuthi usashentshile yini uqhatha umoya engcwele nabantu yini izinto ayishilo yena uthene indodana yomuntu ayisazi isikhathi ubaba yedwa wazi isikhathi uEnigma utshelwa isikhathi uJesu angasitshelwanga mina ngo2020 makuzongena iCovid inkosi ayixoxe nami ngoJeremiah 7 yathi yona isangene ebandleni ingaphandle ebandleni izathu ngambuza uNkulunkulu uthini wathi abazalwana izinto abazenzayo balanda izinto zezwe bayifaka ebandleni then ngahambisa lo mlayezo ngoba batshela abazalwane uma brother Enigma efika naleyo nto yiqiniso ngufakazi ukuthi inkosi kushilo lokho yazi yanginika ngishiza uJeremiah 7 ukuthi ayiqali ngami ukuveza lo mlayezo okukhala ngebandla yake yakhala ngebandla kuJeremiah right lokho ngivumelana naye ngoba yiqiniso lento ayishoyo but lezi zinto edlamini ezabazalwane akuzona ezabantu abangakholwa mina nginenkinga mayesekhuluma nomini edlamini mina personally nginenkinga mayesekhuluma nomini edlamini umini edlamini akuyena umzalwane ungena lapha endabeni zabazalwane akakwazi uNkulunkulu ukuyokhuluma ngesiketi kumini angakhulumi ngokuphenduka
aqala ukukhuluma ngokuphenduka
ukukhuluma ngokuphenduka uNkulunkulu into asithuma yona kubantu ukuthi asibatshela ukuthi abaphenduka automatically umuntu mayephenduka nesiketi sizoshintsha vele abantu ababesemshadweni kaSomizi kumele kushunyayelwe nje bayinikele kuJesu finish hayi ngokuthi baye emshadweni kaSomizi kumele baphendukele lokho no kulelo site mina uSomizi ngiyamvikela mina yimi umuntu ebekuzoba nenkinga mangemshadweni kaSomizi mina ngigibele kwi platform ngatshela abantu ukuthi angishadisi itabani mina angishadisi inkonkoni. If abazalwane sebengibona emshadweni kaSomizi kumele ba raise point question ukuthi how come ubaba uNtanda athi kusasa nange emshadweni kaSomizi.
Message that he's sharing with the public.
I believe that nothing just happens. You know, there's a reason why he is speaking, the way he is speaking. The question could be on the issue of interpretation of what he's saying, but I don't think he must be dismissed. In a country like ours, when you hear such a voice, you must sit down, reflect, and don't just dismiss. If he's sent by God to talk to the church, that can be investigated, and we can talk about that tonight.
I know one of the things that he mentioned, actually it's quite a lot of things, but what makes you think Bishop Buti is sent by God? Though you did not say that he's sent by God, but what makes you think that maybe he's a God sent?
Like I'm saying to you, nothing just happens. Sometimes God permits views, engagement, people to provoke something. You can be sent by God, but your message must be interrogated. It is the issue of the message and the messenger. You understand? So I'm not saying he's sent by God, but I've got a deeper feeling that there is something God is trying to communicate through him in this season. Yes.
So, Bishop, nakusisile ngaye, the thing that is happening, even abazalwane, they are criticizing him to the message that he's sharing with the public. How should we react to such messages?
Wait a minute. You must know, Brother Enigma is not the first one. We had many.
Brother Enigma was on fire yesterday. So he also said that the Lord gave him a message for me. And so looks like this is quite convenient. He sent out a warning that God gave him, that he says to me. What was it again?
Want to warn my brothers. I have brother Ricky, I have sister Zukiswa, and the other ones I don't know their names.
It's Aslemo Malahla. She's also very skeptical of your teaching.
They are opposing the message of the Lord. Brother Ricky, my name is Enigma. You have never seen me, and you have never seen the Lord. So,
but you don't know that. I don't question whether you saw the Lord. I question what you teach about the Lord. But you don't know if I have seen the Lord. And I've seen the Lord in many ways. In my salvation, I've seen him. So you don't know that. Okay.
So I just want to say, Brother Ricky, if people are giving the message of the Lord, they are conveying the message of the Lord. And you, Ricky, you take the message of the Lord, you want to put it your own way. I am warning you. Because you have never heard the voice of the Lord. Because now he's confusing the people. Tina siyakhuluma imessage kaNkulunkulu. Yena uyayithatha uyibeka ngendlela yakhe, uRicky. So I am warning Ricky and Zukiswa. I say to you, peace be still. Because I was in a meeting with the Lord, bengimbuza ngoRicky. So mangimbuza ngoRicky uJesu mangile ungibonisa Ricky, Zukiswa nabanye ngabanye.